We'll have a quick look at the structural basics: tables, simple fields, ranks, and records. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. The moment you open it up, you see a very small table with just one record and just one field. The table is not really named. We can give it a name, for example, easily. And we can also give the first proper field a name as well. And if you click in the perspective and you watch out for the status bar, you see this is the rank, this is my field. And we could add also a second field if we like, and then this shows up there as well. And we can enter a couple of records to it, and then we put there any data we like also numbers in either way, things like that. Now, this is actually almost all. The only thing that might come a bit surprise is the pseudo field called rank, which is somehow similar to a line number. Internally, it's a bit more to that, but that will be topic for later. And of course, there's more to embrace, but that'll be another story.